Hello, I'm Joe Harvey. I'm president of Cohen Steers. And today I'd like to share with you how our REIT investment team is positioned to capitalize on the opportunities that have been created by the pandemic and the related recession. We believe that our platform and our focus allows us to shine in these environments, and we've got a long history of creating value throughout these periods of turbulence. And it goes back to the early 1990s when the commercial real estate industry was in recession. There was no capital available. We had the Resolution Trust Corporation sorting everything out. And the only place where real estate companies could get capital was the public market. So we took a leadership position in helping the modern REIT era companies go public through IPOs. And that was a tremendously successful investment period for us. Then in the late 1990s, because of rising interest rates, REITs went into a bear market, and we stepped in and did direct placements of equity capital with REITs so that they could continue to take advantage of acquisition opportunities and continue to grow. The greatest opportunity that we've had is in the global financial crisis when, because of the challenges in the banking system and liquidity crisis, we identified an opportunity to step in and help provide equity capital to companies so that the market could see how they would be able to last throughout the crisis. REITs at that time were trading at tremendous discounts. They were because the market couldn't figure out how they were going to be able to repay their debt, and we devised a strategy to along with the broader equity market, provide enough equity capital so that the companies could last 4 years, and that certainly was a long enough time horizon to give the market confidence that these companies would survive. So fast forward to today, to the pandemic and recession. Of course, all of these situations are always different, and today is certainly the case, and that we've never experienced something like a pandemic. It's not so much about liquidity. There's been plenty of liquidity that's been thrown at the market by the regulators and government. Instead, it's about the economy and how it's going to affect cash flows, both on a cyclical basis and for some companies on a secular basis. So the first opportunity that we saw was in March when the drawdowns were significant and REITs were trading at steep discounts to their intrinsic value, and we worked with clients to step in and capitalize on those opportunities. There have been several situations where we could provide equity capital to companies. In some cases, it's companies that are very financially strong but have acquisition opportunities, and they wanted to raise more capital to have a bigger war chest. And we're going to see other situations in cyclically challenged businesses or potentially secularly challenged businesses that are trading at big discounts to provide equity capital along with the broader equity market to help shore up their balance sheets. Today, with the resurgence that we're seeing in the virus, it's causing questions about how long this is going to last, how steep is it going to be. And we're not exactly sure how it will evolve, just like everybody else, but we feel like we're well positioned to take advantage of the opportunities that will come our way. As we look down the field, we think that things will evolve in the private market that will create situations for the public REITs. If you think about how companies are downsizing or going bankrupt, that's going to create vacancies in property, and that in turn will pressure owners in the private market who might have debt maturities or have loan-to-value ratios that are too high. And so that will present acquisition opportunities for companies, and we will be there to provide equity capital to our companies to take advantage of those opportunities. Another situation will come from the corporate sector where they will seek liquidity and look at their property that they own on their balance sheets, perhaps to do sale leasebacks, and that will be another form of investment opportunity for our companies. So with that, I just bring it back to our platform. Our goal is to put our investment teams into a position to focus solely on the opportunity, not worry about where we're going as a firm. As a platform, we're very strong. We've got strong long-term leadership. We have a great balance sheet with a lot of cash and no debt. And that's going to position Cohen Steers to be in the best position to take advantage of the opportunities for our clients. So with that, I wish you a good day, and we'll talk to you soon.